how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So let's get started. Firstly, start off with opening the Facebook on your mobile device. Once you're inside the Facebook app, then simply tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once done, then scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy, then tap on the settings. Now all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom until you find your information option available there. Now after that, from your information, tap on the download your information option. Now again tap on the continue option available there. Now all you have to do is tap on the download and transfer files option available there. Now tap on the specific type because here we are only downloading the messages option. Now select only the messages and deselect all and continue again. After this, all you have to do is tap on the download to the device option available there. Now here you can see date range. You can keep according to your preferences. So here I'm keeping the last year. Then set medium quality in media. After that, all you have to do is give them an email address. Add your email address here and continue with the process. Now write down your email address. Once you have done this, tap on the continue and it might take 3 to 4 hours and you will receive an email of downloaded information. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.